everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Honda Guys. We are all about Hondas. I'm Navin, your host for today. As a recap, last week we have an in-depth review about the new Honda CT-RS. We have talked about the bell and whistle that comes with this variant. And as promised, today we are going to talk about the safety feature and the test drive experience. Now let's roll VT. The Honda CT-RS is equipped with a lot of safety features. The ABS, EBD and VSA is now common in almost every new car in Malaysia. But what differentiates the Honda CT-RS and the other brand is including of the Honda Sensing Suite. Honda Sensing consists of lane departure warning. Okay, the steering wheel will vibrate and alert you to correct your path according if you sway out of your lane without using the turn signal. So please guys, remember to always use your turn signal if you are going to change lane. Okay, next is the road departure mitigation. This feature works the same way as the lane departure warning, but this time it will vibrate and guide you to correct the steering wheel, and also will apply the brake if your car verges too close to the road edge. Lane keep assist system, on the other hand, will keep your car in the center of the lane. If your car swerves to the other lane unintentionally, the system will correct the steering automatically. Okay, next is the auto high beam. Have you ever experienced driving at night and sometimes being shot by the high beam from the oncoming traffic? Well, you are not alone. The Honda CT-RS comes with automatic full LED headlamp, so to prevent the glare from the oncoming traffic, the auto high beam will automatically switch to low beam if the sensor detects light source from the oncoming vehicle. Okay, next is the forward collision warning. When the Honda sensing camera detects there is the risk of collision with the car ahead, you will receive the smart audio and visual alert. And if there is no input from the driver to apply the brake, the collision mitigation braking system will kick in and apply the brake to slow down or completely stop the car. Okay, next is adaptive cruise control. For those who always use cruise control on the highway, they will always hope if their car comes with this adaptive cruise control function. It will automatically follow the car in front and at the same time keeping a safe distance. As featured on the last week's episode, Honda Lane Watch will be automatically activated when the left turn signal is on. Otherwise, you can still activate the camera by pressing the button at the tip of the turn signal stop. Yes, the Honda CT-RS comes with all the advanced features in Honda Sensing Safety Suite. But please remember that this system doesn't mean it eliminates you as the primary safety system in a car. The system is meant to complement you as the main system here. Please always drive safely and please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. 99% of you guys haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe here. Press the subscribe button. Alright? Please always drive safely and be vigilant on what is happening around you while you're driving. And don't forget to use the turn signal if you want to change lane. And now, let's see how's the car drive. Okay, let's review this car's performance. Okay, this car is very smooth, right? Driving. The CVT is also very responsive. And the steering, I like the steering very much. Feeling is good feeling, and then I like the design of the steering also with this red stitching here. And I also like the seat material is very good. I think it's gonna be like very comfortable during like long journey drive back balik kampung. And because it's very talky, so I think it's gonna be fun driving back balik kampung. You know, with the corners. And then you can go like accelerate more, you know, you can have some fun also. Okay, the engine for this car, it's a 1.5 double overcam IBTEC engine and then coupled with a traction motor. This engine, the petrol engine, has 98 horsepower with 108 Newton meters of torque, and the traction motor horsepower is about 127 horsepower and with a very high torque 253 Newton meters of torque. Okay, the main power source is actually comes from the traction motor itself. Most of the time, the traction motor will drive the car. The petrol engine is mainly to charge the battery which power the traction motor. But once you travel, let's say on the highway at a constant speed, then only the petrol engine will kick in as the main source to drive the car at a constant speed. The CVT is very responsive. This CVT transmission is not the normal CVT transmission. It's called the e-CVT. It is very responsive, very smooth driving, you know, and the noise of the engine also it's significantly low compared to other CVT. Okay, let's test the acceleration now. Wow, okay, very responsive. Okay, we are reaching this traffic light here, and I think it is a very good time for me to test the 0 to 100 kilometers. Okay, let's go. Wow, very responsive, amazing. Wow, yes, it is really as advertised. It is very responsive. The acceleration is very good. It takes only about 9.5 seconds to from 0 to 100. Okay, about the tires. Okay, the tires of this CTRS it's 185/55 16 inches, and it is also more quieter. It handles very well, especially during hard cornering. And the suspension also behaves very well, very balanced, less body roll. Okay, the suspension for this CTRS it's a McPherson strut for the front and torsion beam for the rear suspension. And surprisingly, with the torsion beam at the back, this car doesn't really sway that much during hard cornering. Honda has really done a very good job in tuning this suspension. Feels very balanced, sturdy, and very stable during this cornering, this hard cornering here. Okay, let's test the corner. Wow, okay, feels very well and very less body roll. Okay, now let's check out the brakes. This Honda CTRS is the only variant that comes with all-round disc brake. It has this ABS, EBD, and also the brake assist. Okay, let us test the braking system now. Wow, very good, very short braking distance. Okay, this fuel consumption for this Honda CTRS, I can tell you guys, is really good. After test driving, you know, after going all this hard cornering, acceleration, you know, after this very hard test driving, when I start driving this car, the fuel tank is half tank. But after all this test driving, it still remains half tank. I mean, it's consumed really minimum petrol. This car really saves you a lot of petrol, guys. Okay, even though this car is priced at 105,000 onwards, but I think it is worth every penny of your money. With this car's features and then performance, you know, especially the fuel consumption, you can really save a lot of money from refueling your petrol, because it really saves you a lot of petrol. The fuel consumption is superb. If you'd like to get a Honda, you can contact me at this number below. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well, so that you get the latest video from us. and please smash that like button, right? Okay, for today's episode, I'm Navin signing off. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.